Welcome back to Not So Grand Garage. Out in the fuel shed today. Today is Centrifuge cleanout day. And I'm going to show you what it takes to get the majority of this sludge out. This is from the last batch I ran, and my finished drum is empty, so I gotta get another batch going. But I haven't cleaned this thing out since the last time I ran a batch. So I'm gonna clean this out, show you what it took out, and go from there. This thing is a little tedious to clean out, but it is what it is. So I'll set you up and let you watch, and then show you the aftermath. Now, there's 3 little holes in the bottom of this rotor. You can see one down there. There's one in each pocket, right? Those drain down to this fitting right here, which is separated underneath the bowl, which runs down to this bucket down here. And then everything that collects on the outside of the drum, or outside of the bowl, I guess you'd say, is what ends up coming down here, down into the finished drum. And this is the extent of what came out of there. Got one cleanish rag, but obviously we've got the rags that I wiped it out with, which have quite a bit of sludge on them. And I'd say 1/4 cup or so of just muck that I spooned out. Now, I threw the rags away, but I'll take this. I'll flush this out into this into this bucket here later, and we use that for fire starter. Don't like throwing that stuff away. But yeah, quick and dirty. It's not spotless by any means, but it doesn't have to be. And I'm ready to run another batch. I've already got this drum up here full, ready to go. So I'm gonna get ready and get this rolling. And we're up and running. Like I said, a little tedious to clean this one out, but hey, it does a great job, so I'm not going to complain. But yeah, I'm going to let this run. I've got it running pretty slow, so it probably won't finish tonight. I'll come out and just shut that top valve off, kill power later tonight. Then I'll come back in the morning and fire it back up, let it run out the rest of the day, and it should be good to go. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up here. If you have any questions, comments, what have you, drop them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We appreciate you watching.